training of uphill running can strengthen the muscular endurance and power. It's also good for adjusting the running posture and breathing. But when you are doing training, you might not have time to check your climbing data on your watch. This auto climbing function on your Garmin watch can assist you with this task. To turn on auto climb, hold the menu key. Go to Settings. Select Activities and Apps. Select an activity. Here we will use the running activity for demonstration. Select Run Settings. Auto Climb. Status. Select Always. Now you have turned on the auto climb function in the running activity. Next, we'll show you how to do other settings. Run screen. When your watch is under the auto climbing mode, but you are already back to flat run, this screen is what your watch will show. We suggest that you can set it to current screen. Climb screen. When you are running uphill, it is the screen your watch will show. We suggest that you can select Data Screen and choose a page that has the information you need when running. You can take our demonstration as a reference. If you don't know how to customize your data fields, please refer to our tutorial video of customizing data fields. Invert colors. When you turn on the setting, once your watch has detected you are running uphill, the background colors will invert, so you could know the auto climb function is on. Vertical speed. Once you set up the vertical speed, your watch will automatically turn on the auto climb function when your ascending speed is over this value. Mode switch. You can set up how fast you like your watch to switch between the auto climbing mode or the general mode. And that's it. Now you can start using auto climb to help your training.